that one plus there. You can make rain clouds. Go.
What do we need?
Don't forget, I'm called Jasmine. I done all those uploaded videos. Yeah.
What do we need?
Some shaving cream. I don't want food colouring. So you definitely need blue and your other favourite colour and some water. Let's squirt some of this in here.
Your finger might be over the hole. Oh no, yeah, I think it comes out of there.
Let's make it rain. Let's make it rain. Let's make it rain. So, did you forget it's me again?
Right, what have you got?
We've got Jasmine again. Blue first and then pink. But don't put too much food in because you never know.
Don't put too much shaving cream in.
Don't put too much.
It takes ages to soak through, doesn't it?
Yes. That's what happened to us one day. I've got a grip here. Can you see it? It looks so cool. Let's see what colour it makes. I already know, but you can see how much cool it makes. By making your own.
Jasmine.
It's making purple. Do you guys want to see how much you like it to do? Can you